Ready for an unforgettable adventure with onX Off-Road? Step 1. Plan your trip. Drop a customized waypoint on your adventure spots. Use 3D map views and check trail reports. Pro tip, save offline maps before heading out. Step 2. Navigate. Load your plans, get to your rig. Select your waypoint, tap Navigate to. Step 3. Enjoy the trail. With your plans streamlined, get out there and explore the trails. And choose onX Navigation for turn-by-turn directions. Have fun on the trails and get home safely with onX Off-Road. Built for adventure.